Hello, this is Diego with EVERYLITE, and today I will be talking to you about our Panoramic Series LED modules. The versatile Panoramic Series modules come in a 3-diode, 2-diode, and a 1-diode variation ranging from 0.36 up to 1 watt. This module sports an incredible lens with up to a 170-degree beam angle. Each module comes pre-installed with double-sided tape for a quick layout. There's also a screw hole in each module for permanent secure mounting. These modules are quick and easy to install and will give your sign the wow factor that you're looking for. Panoramic Series modules are perfect for your everyday signage needs. These modules are recommended to be used in depths ranging from 3 inches up to 8 inches, or even deeper if using our high output variations. For our single color options, the PCB matches the LED color, allowing the installers to quickly recognize the product they need. For our 6500K white color, you can mix and match any of the 3 sizes within the same sign while still maintaining color consistency. Contact your local sales representatives for more information or to utilize our free layout service for recommended spacings.